What's up everybody, I am John Bear. I often describe myself as an Icelandic dude with a camera. And today I'm not going to talk about a camera, I'm going to talk about a drone. Now this drone in particular is the Mavic Mini, weighing only 249 grams. This little drone is the size of a banana. This tiny drone accompanied me to Seychelles, where I went on vacation with my lovely fiance, Kana. And originally we planned to use the Mavic Air, but unfortunately the unit that I bought was defective. Therefore I was in a panic. We arrived at duty free in the airport and I was looking through all the drones that they had, and it was a choice between the Mavic Mini and the Parrot. I ended up going with the Mavic Mini because it is quite cheap. I ended up paying about $500 for the Fly More combo, which is a really good deal if you ask me. Originally, I was staying away from the Mavic Mini because I figured it was not really the powerful filmmaking tool that I would be looking for. In fact, I believe that the Mavic Mini was going to be something more like a toy, something you would buy for your cousin, somebody who's dabbling in filmmaking. However, after using the drone extensively, do I still believe that to be the case? I'm gonna let the results speak for themselves. For such a cheap and small drone, it manages to be very impressive. The shell is very hollow and brittle, which makes it very aerodynamic, but it also makes it very easy to break. As you can tell from this clip, the ocean is quite fierce, and the winds were just as strong. Yet, the drone manages to fly straight. However, because the drone is so brittle, I do recommend using the propeller guards that comes with the Fly More combo. And it's worth noting that the cheap price means that it doesn't really have any sensors for obstacle avoidance, so if you fly into a wall, there's no warning. The video quality is quite good. I'm surprised. It doesn't output 4K video, but it does shoot 2.7K at 30 frames per second. Outside of that, there are no video settings. All you can do is lock the exposure value, and the exposure is automatic. So this goes a little bit back into this question, is it a proper filmmaking tool? And I guess the answer really depends on what type of shots are you going for. Do you really need to tweak all the settings, or is the built-in settings good enough? For me, bringing the drone to Seychelles, a bright island paradise, and shooting with the built-in settings was good enough. The Fly More combo is a fantastic deal, delivering 3 batteries, a charging hub, and extra propellers. The propeller guards are also really handy, and the whole package comes in a nice hard case. My only gripe is that the propeller guards do not fold into the hard case, and they take quite a lot of space. While everything else packs so neatly into the hard case, it's unfortunate that the propeller guards need to be carried separately. The Fly More combo comes in at $499, and if you ask me, that's one heck of a deal. When it comes to buying a drone, this price is absolutely unbeatable. Getting started is really simple. The app comes with in-depth tutorials that will help you every step of the way. At this point, if you have been holding off getting a drone, then DJI makes a compelling case to get the Mavic Mini. It is the perfect entry-level drone, and for novice filmmakers, it provides good enough filmmaking capabilities that it's very passable. It might not have all the advanced features, but at this price, it's unbeatable. It is so simple to use that anybody can start flying straight away. If you feel now is a good time for you to jump on the whole drone craze, check the description down below, I got a link, and I used the drone to make my latest video, the Cinematic Seychelles. If you want to check that video out, I got a link up here somewhere or down in the description. That's it for me, thank you so much for watching, I am John Bear, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.